Sigo, semoga bahagia. Iya, no. time. They'll call me Brother Cape on the mic. Is everybody feeling irate? Mwana mbagala nnyo mwe bali kuswazanga abantu buli kaseera. Nena zemba yimbira leero, so I'm gonna do this, you know. Are you ready for the second one? VIP, how you doing? VIP. Mwana mwe bali bana tebaleka. Boys don't let you. My boys, welcome. Tabi, shalom, I see you. Yeah. Mami Farida yo. Yeah. Mami Farida, mimi abantu bakulabeko. Mami Farida, mimi akaruka Mami Briella. Yeah. Thank you for turning up, Farida. Everybody, to everybody at UG Shop, Mobile UG, thank you so much. Emma Motors, where are my people at? Emma Motors, I love you. Thank you so much, guys. Dr. John, amen. I wish I could. Ajapuja sawa na. Let's go. Run it. The old temple, okay. This one is a dedication to you. Yeah, no, yeah. Shina, shina. seke monga tozange Ondese Oloza chini Ngawisanga Omatira Kademba Ngawisanga Ngakukuma Katechawa Owilocha Muli Intesasa Owilocha Muli from January to December, one is yes, you leave it down. You know, and I call you my sweetheart. Yeah, and you call me your lover. So that's all they say. Kuloza, loza. Kuloza, loza. Kuloza, loza. When they say Bruno K, they mean talent. When they say Bruno K, they mean what? I want you to listen to this. I can also rap. Take it on, listen. You want to? Cause I was born and raised from Uganda. Black, yellow, red, my identity within it all. Son of the soil, son of the land. Chikundu is the name that I gave. Mama Wangama, Tata Wangama, Chimayana. Can you see the smart true identity? I'm so proud that I am Uganda. No matter what the truth, stitches and waka, forever never. I'm Ugandan. I'm proud. We're 50 something. I'm Uganda, the battle of Africa. No, listen. Cause I was born and raised from Uganda. Black, yellow, red, my identity will be it up. Son of the soil, son of the land. Chikunu is the name that I gave. Mama Wangama, Tata Wangama, Chimayana. Can you see that's my true identity? I'm so proud that I am Uganda. No matter how much stitches and waka, forever never. I'm Ugandan. Yeah, we proud. We're 50 something. Oh, Uganda. So. Koyo kuloza, loza. Koyo kuloza. Yeah, they say. Koyo kuloza, loza. Koyo kuloza, loza. Koyo kuloza, loza. Koyo kuloza, yeah, yeah, yeah. Koyo kuloza, loza. Koyo kuloza, loza. Yeah. Is everybody feeling irate? I promised you guys a good show, and I'm gonna give it to you guys. Yeah? Together, Master. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say, yeah. Every day that you find special God is everything that I want. She's in my life. Now that I'm posted, I don't like who they take. They won't have a single time day. Ready, set, she put it to that. You don't find the crazy. That's what I'm putting down on the video. Say that. Say it in the day. I need closer. What do we say? I said, wait, buddy. Slow down, baby, wait, buddy. Push it, buddy. Slow down, listen. Oh, yeah. But baby, you are hot. Yeah, it takes until your car. Goddamn, your heart. So you from a distance. Now, yeah, that we can call it a distance. Ooh, baby, come closer. Take steps for instance. Yeah. Well, that's slow, but to follow my rules. Jaga to see them all alone. That's slow, but to follow my rules. Jaga to see them all alone. Somebody no tell you. I need to be closer, yeah. Closer, yeah. Such. I say, why you body. Slow down, baby, why you body. I said, I push your body. Such, are you ready? I say, 1, 2, step on the floor. 3, 4, 0 distance. 5, 6. push it on it. Slow down, baby, push it on it. Yeah, yeah. If you're feeling good, let me hear you say yeah, yeah. If you love Manchester United, let me hear you say yeah, yeah. If you support Arsenal, let me hear you say woo. Mula bente muli banafu. Ati tulimu chibozi, mula bente muli banafu Arsenal. Ladies, if you're virgin and you know, say oh yeah. Na baba yayo. Bari wano. Abakazi tebogera ako mazima. Ladies, if you're virgin and you know, say oh yeah. Ladies, if you're not a virgin, say yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, run it, yeah. Yeah. I did this song with my brother Uncle P. Tomorrow I want you to go and support my brother Uncle P. $2 all you want. Yeah, no. Listen, you know what I'm saying. Pretty girl and nice and New Zealand. Wanna go wipe my calendar. You are when you are getting mad. She go back to Jawa. The way that you feel when you flow to the blood. Yeah, yeah. Ta-da-da-da. This sweet love song I'm gonna sing for you. Yeah, ta-da-da-da. My money and my mind all belong to you. Yeah, ta-da-da-da. Give me my Bada we wali wakazaliwa yera ngaraji nebuzanga siri na fumbira yano baby nakupenda sana mwili wangu lakini pesa